It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're looking at a 1999 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It is in beautiful condition, located here in Point Roberts Marina, Canadian boat. We're doing our signature walk around video on the outside, and it shows as good as it looks right now. Comes included with this dinghy. It's a Great Pacific dinghy. It's virtually new. 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's got all the equipment you'd expect to see on a Sea Ray. Watch the post. It's low tide here today. But it's got an anchor winch, remote spotlight on it. And the hull is in great shape. Lots of shine in the hull. It's a 99 with 1,200 hours on it. One engine was just rebuilt a couple of years ago. We have all the bills and all the invoices for all the work. You will not find one that is in better shape than this one today. It's in great running order. The engine room is spotless. Please watch our walkthrough videos and our startup videos on our 340 Sea Ray Sundancer from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're both bonded and licensed in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia. We're the only brokerage holding those designations. So here we are. We're in Point Roberts showing a Canadian boat here. It's a 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's in great shape. All the eyes and glass is all brand new on it. Nice and clear. It's a nice touch you see when you come down to look at a used boat. A lot of them, the windows are all creamed out. The canvas needs to be replaced. This boat is ready to go today. So we're going to go through and do a walkthrough video on the inside for you. Please watch it. We really appreciate you watching our videos. Thanks for watching.